Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the presentation party of third edition of CAF T10 2021 tournament. On behalf of the committee, in particular Ammar, Gurjeet, and Najam, we would like to thank everybody for coming here, supporting this tournament, and especially all the team players. And as we know, nothing can possible without the help of sponsors. So please give a big round of applause to all the sponsors. With the help of all the sponsors, this tournament has happened. Few years back, Ammar only started this tournament with 3 teams. Within 3 years, he gained a huge support and huge success, and you can see there's hundreds of people participated in this tournament, and there's a massive support from some of the most respected and reputable people in Dublin who came along tonight and supporting this good cause. Now I'm gonna call upon the most important, the backbone of this tournament, one and only Ammar Ali. Please give a big Ammar, please.
It has been a fantastic fourth year. I remember the first year when I started. I know there's some people, Yasser, I went with it. I want something in Ireland that is like IPL or PSL. I don't have that much finance, but I know that with will and great determination, one day people from the first division of this country will be playing my tournament. And that is now, that was a dream that's coming true. But I know that first tournament I was alone, but from the second tournament I had a great brother that was supported me. He used to listen to all my bullshit that I used to say during the tournament, and that is Gurjeet Paji. Love you, Paji. And the new joining, Najam Paji, I know he was at work today, and I said, you have to come today. Today is the final. Without a team, you cannot do anything. But without the sponsors, you cannot do anything else. We have our sponsors. We'll start from here. We have IT Fix. We have Arup Tech. We have Chicken Licken. We have the POC. We have Grill and Chill from Port we have Eurasia, we have Daily Heart, and the main important, we have Barbecue Tonight, who sponsored the whole tournament. We have Prudent Associates, we have Burger Bite. So thanks very much, guys, for all the support. But if we have the sponsors, we have the team, and if we don't have the grounds, we can't play. Thanks, Castleknock, please. And without the jerseys, the player will not play in this passion. Thanks, Fertility Sports. Salman Bhai, where are you? And thanks, UPS.
Giving a late 1 week.
So the first man of the match, presented by Chicken Licken, Mr. Asim Sattar. Please, Asim bhai. Goes to one and only Safin from European. Any words?
Hi everyone. It's been honored to be a part of this Gulf tournament, and especially thanks to brother Ammar, Gurjeet Paji, that they gave us a chance to sponsor this tournament from Chicken Licken, and hopefully it will go next year as well, and we'll be the part of that. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thanks. The next is the wicket keeper of the tournament, and we will invite Mr. Naeem, and that goes to Abdul Samad. हाँ वो मैंने सबको दिया हाँ नहीं भाई few words.
Ammar, Gurjeet Bhaiya, all the organizers, well done. It was an excellent event, and it was excellent cricket to watch, and hopefully this will continue, and our support to all of you will always be there. Thank you.
For Bowler of the Year, we have a player who was economically very good and who took wickets and got India to the semi-finals. He's not here with us. It's Amish, and we will get Anwar Bhai to please give from Arup Tech. Varinder?
Varinder will take behalf of Amish.
Thanks, Amar. Not long ago, I was sitting with Amar, and he was designing some of the logos, and I tried to help him at that time. Like he said a bit earlier that he was not financially strong. I was one of the person helping him behind that time with this hope that the aim he has, definitely he will grow one day. And seeing today, I'm very much excited that I'm sponsoring a cricket team, a tournament, and a future of the Irish cricket as well. Thank you.
We will get Gusharan Paji. Please, can you come? There was one team who played really well and they got out of the tournament, but that is Word Master. I'll call his captain. Please come.
Thank you.
Everybody, well done, guys. It was a great day today, and delighted to see the blue jerseys are winning again. And well, we'll come back to that, but all the best to everybody again. It was a great tournament, and Amar and Gurji doing a great job and good cricket in Ireland. Thank you.
For the most energetic player of the tournament, we have from Prudent Associates, Mohammad Abbas, please. इनको कहीं देखा था हमने नहीं आपने बोलना नहीं जुबैर मोहम्मद जुबैर
मुझे दे रहे क्या मुझे ये तो बता दे Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I would like to congratulate to GAF Group for having the very good tournament here, and I would also congratulate to the winner team. So inshallah next year we will play again, and congratulations. Thanks.
Now, for the most energetic team of the tournament, we have one and only the Irish Kings. But I will get Gushan Paji, can you come? Abbas, Mohammad Abbas sahab. Yeah, okay. Paji, where's Paji? Most player of the tournament, Modi को देना चाहिए ना? So, for the player of the tournament, we have the sponsorship from Quality Motors. There was one player who played really good in this tournament, who was energetic, full of energy, with the bat, with the ball. Even when he was conceding runs, he still stayed calm. And that is Moody from Irish Kings.
First of all, thank you very much, guys. It's very exciting to be a part of this tournament, and Alhamdulillah, this tournament has been finished very successfully. So very thankful for all the teams and all the sponsors and all of them. So thank you very much, guys.
So we have all-rounder of the tournament sponsored by Chicken Licken, Mr. Asim, Adil Bhai. And that goes to Mohammad Zubair. Adil Bhai.
Thanks to brother Ammar, Gurjeet Paji and Najam who organized this event very successfully, and it's an honor to be part of this event as a sponsor. Thank you Najam, Gurjeet Paji again, Ammar brother. Thank you.
So the last one goes from player of the tournament. We will call Mr. Huzaifa, please present. And that goes to Mohammad Safin.
Well batted, man, well batted.
T-shirt? Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hello everybody. I would like to congratulate the winning team and best of luck for the runners-up. I think cricket unites everybody, which we can see here. Ammar and his team did a great job, and I'm sure it will be bigger and better next year. Thank you.
Okay.
Now we have shirts from PSL, and that will go. आसिम भाई आ पाए? आप नहीं भाई आ पाए? छानी भाई, गुरशरण भाई, जशन पाजी, एक टी-शर्ट। फरहान भाई, हुज़ैफा भाई, अथर भाई,
भाजी एक टी-शर्ट लेके सारे आ जाओ। फिर चलिए करानो टूर्नामेंट साडा।
शफीन लें आप उनसे। बस इधर ये लेके हाँ चल रहे हैं।
One second guys, 1 second. शफीन भाई, एक second. Thank you. That's in recording now.
कासिम शाह।
कासिम भाई। नहीं है, निंजा को जरूर दिया।
हाँ। मुबश्शिर भाई। फारूक भाई।
And the last time.
साकिब भाई।
साकिब जो सीनियर है बस साकिब भाई।
जमान नहीं वो दूसरी टीम वाला
दूसरा जमान सॉरी नॉट दिस जमान
नहीं दूसरी किधर गया
नहीं ये जमान नहीं ये नहीं
वो दूसरी टीम वाला जमान किधर है
सिलेक्टेड पीपल
निंजा सलमान निकाश यासिर दीदी मोडी उमर बदी है बदी
कहां पर है यार
बदी जमान किधर है यार बदी Say.
वो चलेगा behalf of the
Sattar.
सत्तार आ ला दे यार अब्बू नु दिखा ना भी मुंह ते मैं आज भावे आ रहे
अच्छा यार जल्दी जल्दी
थैंक यू गाइस थैंक यू वेरी मच
Burger Pit. ओ आपकी अभी देता अच्छा वो दो
क्या भाजी कोई भी
दे दो आप दे दो
आ ना फिर सोनिया अच्छा तो फिर
अब जल्दी से Burger Pit. यासिर आप आ जाओ बस मेडल लेने यासिर 1 player medal
one player only can collect a medal
POC finalist medal कासिम भाई
आओ ना जरा
फारूक भाई
फारूक सुल्तान साहब मुबारक भी
सही है जशन पाजी सेम नहीं लग रहा यासिर अवान
नहीं खड़ यासिर 1 second
यासिर 1 minute
call the umpire first two please
एक मिनट
sorry पाजी एक second sorry we have another presentation no problem okay guys
ये वाला
two umpires okay
the 2 umpires please
guys 2 umpires please here
आप दो आप
पाजी एक ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਣਾ अरे पाजी स्पेशल थैंक यू गाइस थैंक यू पाजी आजो पाजी फोन कॉल सॉरी गाइस अंपायर रह गए सी अगले सीजन गुड अंपायरिंग गाइस थैंक यू वेरी मच
now जशन पाजी
फोन आ जाओ फाइनली आ जाओ थैंक यू
आप भी आओ आपकी टीम थी ना आपकी टीम थी ना यासिर कब कर लो अपनी टीम के साथ आ जाओ sponsored by Delhi Heart and the main sponsor of the team was IT Fix
किससे दिलवाना
वो मैं दिलवा देता हूँ वो आप और वो दे देंगे सही
मैं और नजर मैं आप और नजर तीनों देते हैं
बस सही है
come on this side please thank you very much इनको अभी दे देते हैं
can you hold this
behalf of Baj Production
there's a cash amount of 250 on behalf of Bas आ जाओ जल्दी से आ जाओ Bas Production कह दिया
behalf of Baj Production we are giving that thank you thank you
पकड़ लो ना वीडियो में आएगा भाई शील्ड भी आप सब चीज करो स्पॉन्सर बोल रहे हैं 15 बंदे साढ़े किलो रुको अभी तो असल पॉइंट जिसके लिए हमारी जनता रुकी हुई है चलो
and for the winner There's a 500 euro check from the team.
Thank you.